This is downtown Dallas. Some nights I stand here and think about the version of me, the one who dreamed of being here. He didn't know what to expect, but it was full of unknowns.
After I arrived in the US, I had to secure an internship within a month in this whole new system and environment that I was not used to. And I presented my portfolio and I did not get any offer. I got an internship from a very small firm, which I'm very grateful of, but that was not my goal when I left Nepal. I wanted to work for a big architectural company, and that's when I started realizing that my portfolio is not up to the standard of what they are used to here in this country. And I started reworking on my portfolio. And as an introvert, it was hard for me to reach out to people and ask for help. I did have some mentors, but I felt like it was a journey that I had to figure it out myself alone. But the more I grew, I started realizing a pattern. Friends, people in Instagram and LinkedIn, they reach out to me when they are done with their portfolio and ask for my feedback. But here is the thing, it's almost impossible to be real when you send a finished product. By then, it's too late to restructure the layout or narrative or rewrite the whole layout. And that's the part that nobody talks about. A portfolio is not the end product, but it also a process. And I recently did a podcast with Architecture Candy, and she is doing something very similar, helping students to make a good portfolio and tell their story. And I felt like that was something I really wanted to do because I was also at a point where I needed a help, but I didn't have it. And I felt like it's time to do something now. So I built something which I wish I had, a mentorship space, myarcstories.com. It's not just a website, it's a mentorship space where I tell my stories. I work with students and professionals when they are building their portfolios and not when it's actually done, not when it's too late. We look at the layout, clarity, storytelling, and we develop the narrative page by page. Whether you are looking for the job or applying for the grad school, your portfolio deserves to be built with an intention. If you are building your portfolio right now and feeling very much unsure, overwhelmed, and feel like you need some help, let's do it together. You can just go to a website and book a session with me. I built what I never had for people like me, for people like you.